So you're about to watch a series of videos where I show you how to desaturate an image, copy your red, green, and blue channels, how to create a gradient map, a channel mixer, how to do gradient map with strong contrast and a channel mixer with strong contrast. I'm going to show you how to do a black and white adjustment layer with just auto applied. And then I'm going to show you the ACR mono conversion method. So you're going to need access to all of these final files. So as you go through the following videos, when you get to the end of the stage, make sure you save out your image. And it's okay to leave it as, it's a large image file. That's fine. I'm going to show you a method for mass resizing efficiently. And essentially just name the file so you know what they are. So if you completed the gradient map, you would save that as a gradient map. And it's going to want to save as a .psd because it has layered files. That's perfectly appropriate. Essentially, you're going to save them in I would suggest I named mine a black and white project 1. So I would know where all my files are. In it, I already have files from the video for color channel copying because there's a unique way to export layers to file names. So you see how I have my red, my green, and my blue already in my project folder. But you can go and create your project folder now. And then when you get to that particular video, that's when you would actually have this part. So it's like kind of neat. I'm creating this in your past for you to use for your future. Interesting asynchronous learning. Anyway, so let's go back, Photoshop, and let me just cover like the process. So here's the beginning one. I'll desaturate it like so. You can go up to File and Save As, but learn this keyboard shortcut for your particular platform. I'm on a Mac, so for me, it's going to be Command-Shift-S, and that's going to ask me to save it as. And this was my desaturation, so that's all I'm going to name it, desaturate. And I'm going to leave it as PSD, that's fine. I'm going to find my folder titled here, Black and White Project 1. And do I want to embed the sRGB color profile? If you know the final destination for the image is going to only be on the web, then yes, you do, for sure. You definitely don't want to export or upload images with Adobe 1998 because the browsers will convert them for you, and they typically do a very poor job. Adobe 1998 or Adobe RGB is a bigger color space and is great for capturing images and for printing images, but you always want to downgrade it to sRGB for web and monitor use. So I will click Save. And if I go back to that folder, I now have that particular thing because you're going to need access again to all of the individual images that you are creating for this part of the submission. Okay, so go watch the videos, do the tutorials, save your work product, and I'll have a conclusion video at the end showing you how to pull it all together.